right, let's talk about something huge that's happening right now, kind of right under our noses, the new age of AI search. If you're out there creating awesome content, but you're looking at your traffic and it's dipping, well, you're in the right place. We're going to break down exactly what's going on and, more importantly, how you can win. Let's get right into it. So you're doing everything you're supposed to, right? The content is top-notch, your keyword research is on point, but then you check your analytics and the numbers are just sliding. It's so frustrating, and believe me, you are definitely not alone in this. And here's the thing. The reason for that frustrating drop is actually pretty simple, but it is massive. The fundamental rules of the game, of how people find anything online, have completely changed. This isn't just another little algorithm update. No, this is a whole new ballpark. And look, this isn't some far-off futuristic problem we need to worry about later. It is happening right now. I mean, think about Google's AI overviews, the ones that just give you the answer at the top of the page, no click required. Or think about how many people just go straight to ChatGPT with their questions now. The way we search is changing, and if you're not ready for this new world, you're going to be invisible. So that brings us to the core of what we're talking about today. To survive, and really to thrive in this new environment, we all need to get good at something called LLM SEO. But what on earth is that exactly? At its heart, LLM SEO is all about building a brand that is so solid, so trustworthy, that the AI models themselves start using you as a source. It's a big shift in thinking. You're not just trying to get a human to click on your link anymore, you're trying to convince a robot that you're the most reliable answer out there. And this is why it is so incredibly urgent. Some experts are predicting that in just a few years, clicks from the good old-fashioned Google search results could plummet by as much as 50%. I mean, just let that sink in. Half. If organic traffic is the lifeblood of your business, learning this isn't a trend, it's a survival skill. Okay, so whenever there's a huge change like this, you've basically got two roads you can go down. You can chase the quick and dirty hacks, or you can build smart, sustainable strategies. Let's talk about the difference, because picking the right path here is, well, it's everything. So on one side, you've got the spammy, short-term plays. You know what I'm talking about. Churning out 50 soulless AI articles a day, or making those best of lists where, what a surprise, your own product is always number one. Look, that stuff might give you a tiny, temporary bump, but it's a cat and mouse game and you are going to lose. The real win, the sustainable long-term game, is all about building a brand that AI can actually trust. It's about creating genuinely great content and earning mentions on other sites that are already seen as authorities. That's how you win for the next decade, not just the next 10 minutes. So how do we play that long-term game and actually come out on top? All right, let's open up the expert's playbook. These are the core strategies that will get you noticed and, more importantly, cited by these AI models. First up, and this might be the most powerful tactic of them all, is also the one that gets overlooked the most. And it's this: be incredibly, boringly consistent. See, an AI model is just looking for clear, repeated patterns to figure out who you are and what you're an expert in. This quote just nails it perfectly. Don't call yourself an SEO consultant for lawyers on your website, but then a legal search visibility expert on LinkedIn, and then SEO for law firms on Twitter. No, you have to pick one phrase and hammer it home everywhere, on every platform and every bio. That consistency is the loud, clear signal the AI is looking for. Okay, next up. You've got to realize that these LLMs, they don't just pull information out of thin air. They have their favorite places, their trusted sources that they go back to again and again. Your job, your mission, is to figure out what those sources are for your little corner of the world, and then get your brand mentioned there. And it's actually not that complicated. There's a super simple 3-step recipe for this. Step 1, go to ChatGPT and just ask the questions your customers are asking. Step 2, look at the sources it spits back out. Is it always citing Wikipedia, a certain subreddit, a big news site? And then step 3, make a plan to get your brand, your name, your insights mentioned on those exact pages. It's really that direct. All right, strategy number 3. And this is a massive opportunity that honestly almost everyone is sleeping on right now. While these AI overviews are starting to take over all the informational how-to searches, they show up way less often for searches where somebody is clearly ready to buy something. So what's the takeaway? You need to double down on these ready-to-buy pages. Instead of just another general blog post, you build a specific page targeting a phrase like "buy your brand's gravel bike." These pages usually face way less competition from AI answers, they can be easier to rank, and best of all, they convert like crazy. They turn visitors into actual customers. Okay, before we get to your final action plan, let's do a quick lightning round of myth busting. This space is already full of some really bad advice, and I want to make sure you don't waste a second on stuff that just doesn't work. First up is this idea of an LLM.txt file. You might have seen this floating around. The idea is you can create this little text file on your website to give instructions to AIs. Here's the truth. The big players, the companies that actually make the LLMs, have said they don't use it. It's a total waste of time. Just ignore it. Next up, schema, or structured data. This is the myth that you need to load up your site with tons of complicated code to get noticed by AI. Now, let's be super clear. Is having basic, clean schema a good practice? Yes, absolutely. But is there any proof that adding layers and layers of complex code will get an LLM to cite you? Nope, zero. Stick to the fundamentals, not the technical shiny objects. Okay, we've covered a ton of ground. What's changing, what works, and what really, really doesn't. So let's boil all of this down into a clear 4-step action plan that you can literally start on today. All right, here it is, your checklist. Number 1, audit your brand consistency everywhere. Number 2, put on your detective hat and find the key sources the AI in your niche is already using. 3, double down on building out those transactional, ready-to-buy pages. And number 4, just ignore the hacks. Focus on building a real brand that people, and now AIs, can actually learn to trust. And really, that's what it all comes down to. It brings us to the one big question you need to be asking yourself. Because this isn't just about keywords and backlinks anymore. It's about building genuine authority in a world that's getting more and more automated. So is your brand built to be trusted by AI? Because that right there is the key to winning the future of search.